A very good morning to all my lovely students of class 8. Today we are going to study degree of comparison of English 2. Now let us begin. Degrees of comparison. See, by changing their forms, adjectives can be used to show comparison between two or more people, animal or things. These different forms of the adjective are called degrees of comparison. See, in degrees of comparison, there are the adjective that are being used and the comparison is being made between two or more people, animal or anything. Adjectives are of 3 degrees. First positive, second comparative, and the third one is superlative. When we talk about one person, we use the positive degree. See, when we use the positive degree, when we are talking about one person, a single person or a thing. For example, the house is big. The boy is fast on his bicycle. That girl is smart. The radio was loud. See, all these were the example of positive degree. Now next is comparative degree. When we compare two people or things, we use the comparative degree. See, when the comparison is being made between two people or things, then it is said comparative degree. For example, the house is big but my house is bigger. See, there is a comparison between two things. The boy is fast on his bicycle but I am faster. The radio was loud but the TV was louder. See, all these are the example of comparative degree. When we compare more than two people or things, we use the superlative degree. See, when the comparison is being made between more than two people or anything, then we use the superlative degree. For example, he was the fastest in the bicycle race. She was the smartest girl in the class. The biggest house on the block was for sale. The slowest computer in the class belonged to Miss Brookway. Superman was the strongest and fastest of all the superheroes, but Spider-Man was the most flexible. See, most of the adjective we add er to make the comparative degree and est to make the superlative degree. For example, we can see over here positive degree and comparative and superlative degree, great, greater, greatest. See, in comparative degree we add er and in superlative degree we have added est. Same way, sweet, sweeter, sweetest. See, when the adjectives they end in e, we add r to make the comparative degree. See, in the positive degree you can see large, it is ending with e. So in the comparative it will become larger, r we will add at the end of the word, and st to make the superlative degree. And what we will add in the superlative degree if there is e at the end, st, largest, brave, braver, bravest. And an adjective that ends with in a consonant and y. See, if there is a consonant and y is there at the end, we replace y with ier for comparative degree and iest for the superlative degree. See, happy, happier, happiest. See, y is being replaced as ier in comparative degree and in superlative degree iest. Lovely, lovelier, loveliest. For an adjective that ends in a vowel and y, see, you can see over here gray. At the end you can see before Y, E is there. E is a vowel and the last word is Y alphabet. So E and Y, they are the ending alphabet, and we add ER for comparative degree and EST for superlative degree. See, grey, grayer, greyest, gay, gayer, gayest. And for an adjective that has consonant plus vowel plus consonant pattern, we double the last consonant. See, when there has a consonant or a vowel and a vowel plus consonant pattern is also there, then we double the last consonant. big, big, here G is the last consonant and we will add that twice, double time. So it will become bigger in comparative degree and biggest, est we add at the end, biggest in the superlative degree. Sad, sadder, saddest. And the adjective that end in ed, ing, ful, ous, er, ive. See, all these are there at the end. Take more to form the comparative degree and most for the superlative degree. See, if these are there at the end, then we add more for comparative degree and most for superlative degree. For example, in the positive, learned, more learned, most learned, charming, more charming, most charming, famous, more famous, most famous, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Some adjectives do not follow any rule. For example, see, here are the adjective, there is no rule in that, and they are positive, comparative degree, superlative degree. I'll read it for you. Good, better, best. See, good in the comparative degree it will become better, and in superlative best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Many, more, most. For many and much, comparative will be more and superlative will be most. Far distance, farther, farthest. Far, further and furthest. Old, older, oldest. Old, elder, eldest. Read this sentence. Ravi is as clever as Sheila. Delhi is as hot as Jaipur. Dehradun is as congested as Delhi. See, the comparative as hot as clever as congested, they express what that two people or things are similar. And now we'll read the other sentences. Priya is not as clever as Sheila. Masuri is not as hot as Jaipur. Landur is not as congested as Delhi. See, the comparative not as is express that not as clever as, not as hot as. In this, they express that two people or things, they are not similar. I hope you all have understood all three types of degrees that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Thank you for watching.